creating the account, then you open it up. So you're gonna see a part that has to do with you see a part to do with importing and stuff like that. Just follow the prompt, and if you don't do that, you can just simply skip it to this place. So once you're on the home page, then the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna tap on the three lines, horizontal lines at the left. Then you're gonna scroll down. You see under more, you're gonna see contacts. So tap on contacts, and you can see I have no contacts because a new account I created. So tap on add contacts. Tap on new contact, and now you have to put in the new display name, the first name, the last name, the contact, the email address, the email. Here you put in the address, is it the person's email, home, work, or order. So you give a label, then you can add a new label if you want, or another email address. The phone number, is it the person's personal phone, home phone, work phone, other mobile, main, fax, pager. You let it know. Give the right label. You can even add more. Then put the person's address. You can add a note and additional information. So once it's through, tap on save, and it will be added to your contacts. So that's it. That I had to add a new contact to Proton Mail.